In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting in Looker Studio. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and search for Looker Studio. This will bring you to the Looker Studio login page. Go ahead and log in with your account to access your reports. Once you're in Looker Studio, navigate to the report where you'd like to apply conditional formatting. You can apply this feature to a scorecard, a table, or a pivot table. Just click on the specific element you want to format. This will highlight your chosen element and bring up the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Now, direct your attention to this Properties panel, where you'll find several options. Click on the Style section. This is where you're going to find the tools you need to modify how your data appears in Looker Studio. As you scroll down in this section, keep an eye out for the Conditional Formatting subsection. Once you find it, you'll see a button labeled Plus Add Formatting. Go ahead and click on this button to set up a new rule. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your color type. You have two options here. You can select Single for a uniform color application, or Color Scale for a gradient effect. After choosing your color type, it's time to configure your rule, a crucial step to customizing your data display. Start by selecting the field or metric you want the rule to apply to. For a single color rule, you'll need to define specific conditions. This could involve setting logical conditions like greater than and inputting a specific value. You can also add additional conditions if needed by using AND or OR statements. For those choosing a color scale, you'll pick a color gradient that visually represents your data range. Think about how you want this to appear. What colors make sense for the message you're conveying? Under the styling options, choose the text and background colors that will make your data stand out. And if you're working with tables, decide whether you want this formatting to apply to the entire row or just a specific column. Once everything looks good and is configured to your liking, make sure to save your changes. You'll do this by clicking the Save button, which will apply the conditional formatting you've just set up. Now, as you check your report, you'll see that the color coding reflects the criteria you specified. This visual enhancement can make significant data trends much easier to identify, offering quick insights at a glance. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use conditional formatting to transform your Looker Studio reports. Thanks for watching, and happy data formatting!